Hello guys, good morning. Wow, I like my short. Mag-skincare routine tayo. For this morning, I mentioned my name is Jorlyn. And then, time right now is 6:21 a.m. in the morning. 6:21 a.m. in the morning. Tulog po si Mati. Si Tata, meron siyang pa-day class night. Yung ka-meeting like 2 a.m. din sila natapos kasi grabe ang daming mag-usapan. And then, ayun na nga. Pag kanang hinatid niya pa yung kaniyang ka-meeting, and then 2 a.m. na sila nga natapos, diba? Tapos itatulog siya sa labas, sa couch lang, si Mati at saka yung mga bata doon. Magkasama kami sa loob ng bed. So as of the moment, nandoon sila sa bed namin kasi Mati at saka si Lily, hindi pa sila nagising. Pupuloy, hindi pa sila magising para makapag-kapit pa tayo, no? Hindi pa ako nakapag-prepare ng kape. But I just like the improvement that I make sa aking skin, na hindi na siya masyadong kuya suit. Kasi dati guys, no, hindi pa ako nag-dry. Kaya wala pa talaga akong feel naman. So, ngayon is feel ko na siya na sulit-sulit siya konti. But not really totally. But at least I see an improvement for 25 days, no? So, of course, dahil nga, nasa bakasyon tayo, so hindi tayo lifting, but nag-stretching lang din naman ako. Ganito, ganyan. Push up yung kaya. Of course, alam din naman natin kung ano yung kaya ng ating katawan naman. I really love the progress. Kung makikita mo for 25 days na ganito na pala yung progress niya, lalo kang mai-inlove lalo kang mai-inlove mag-more lift. Kasi dati hindi ako nag-lifting. Hindi ako nag-noon na, walking, running, yun lang. Biking. But ngayon, na-inlove ako magbubukat. Sobrang ganda na. Like, nakaka-firm siya ng skin mo. And, tignan mo naman yan. Look at that. But anyway, the purpose of nandito tayo sa ating toilet is mag-skincare tayo. So, ito pa yung gamit ko. 2 years na to, hindi pa naubos. Alam mo naman, pakunti-kunti na kasi yung ginagamit ko. Ayan. Of course, hindi naman natin kumita kasi gigising ako natin. Pinaninindigan ko na yung skincare ko ngayon kasi ang ganda ng result ng ito na yung ginagamit ko na skincare. Uy! Hello, my love!
Don't sleep in the bed.
Oh, okay.
Bed.
Don't live in the bedroom. Mama is washing face. Washing face. Don't leave the bed. I love you. You're crying? Sorry. Kuya must sleep? Oh no. Drink a tubig? Drink a tubig? Tumising na si Inday. Sige lang. Tapusin lang natin yung ating skincare. Don't touch it. It's dirty. No. Tapusin lang natin yung skincare natin. Supposed to be, meron akong pang-inner nito para hindi na makita yung aking ka-brusheran. But anyways, hindi naman masyadong halata. Hindi lang ako na ganun. Open talaga sa luggage. Kasi ang pangit ng floor namin, guys. Pag nag-walk ka, yung bahay, yung natutulog, naririnig nila yung mga apak mo. Kasi gumagawa siya ng ingay. Like, ang door, nagagana. Gumagana yung door. Tapos, pag mag-aapa ka sa floor, usually, pangit ng brush your teeth, love. Wait, teeth. And, toothbrush ni Lily. Yung kailang toothpaste from 0 to 5 years old. Ikad na dalawa ni kuya niya. water? Kuya sa sleeping nila eh. Bakit kasi ng fruit? Kumuha kasi ako ng ano doon. May kinuha ako ba? So, sumising yan pala siya. Bakit kasi ng fruit? Yung lakad ko, paano-ano pa, pauntol-untol pa, pag hindi masyadong, gano'n ba? Gano'n ako pag lumakad, pero gumising pa rin talaga siya. Yes, madam. Gumising ka pa rin. So, you're gonna eat that? Mag-breakfast sila kasi kagabi, hindi sila Akala ko ba nag-ano kalili? So, here again. More what? So, ito yung gamit natin na hindi nyo na nakikita. Basta. So, ito yung ating serum. Don't touch it. What? I will give you. Tell Kuya Ma to brush the teeth after, okay? Brush, brush, brush. Ang ganda talaga ng serum na to eh. Nai-in-love ko sa mama mo. Oh, sobrang ganda. Nag-lighten talaga agad yung aking mga tan skin. Pero tarapan yun naman ako, di ba? Yes, Kuya Ma to brush. Yung si tata yung pinabili ko, pero yung binili niya, pink. May pagka-purple, sabi ni Mati. For the girl daw to, kay Lily. Ayaw niya gamitin. Tata talaga. Dapat binilan niya na lang ng red. Ha? What more? Open mouth? Like that. Brush first. Just a lot. Brush. Tapos, maglalagay tayo ng eye cream. Ayan, eye cream. Ang lotion. Don't touch that. Ang pang lotion niya.
Ew! Mama!
Okay? Okay na, sige na. Lotion eh. Marunong na yan sila mag-lotion. Kahit nagkadimaan pa sa kay kabalong lotion. Day cream. Meron to siyang night cream din. Of course, yung kanyang lotion is ano yan siya. No. Oh no! Johnson baby. Lotion. Yung sa akin, Oriflame.
Give me lotion.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Wow, a lot.
It's butter.
Okay, guys. Yan. Pwede na tayo magkape. Ano siya? Galing. Ganda. Yung feeling ko ng kanilang yung kanilang moisturizer cream is pare-pareha sila sa Mary Kay. Pare-pareha sila. Ang Mary Kay mahal. Pero ito, yung price niya, okay lang. Mahal din naman siya, pero less, little bit lang naman, pero at least maganda, oh. Yung Mary Kay kasi maganda din naman siya, pero parang na-feel ko yung nito, yung glow ko sa Oriflame. Alam mo yun? Maganda naman yung isang product, pero mas na-feel ko yung glow ko sa Oriflame na product. Hiyang ramang guta sa akong asa mahiyang atong skin, so That's the most important. Kahit kaano pa yan kamahal ng product, basta hindi hihiyang sa ano mo, sa skin mo. Wala rin. Sayang lang din. Kaya, kanang, dili na sa pamahal-mahal no. Sa kuan dyan. Okay, enough na. Sa kuan dyan na siya. Kung paano yung product nag-evolve sa imong skin. Nandito sa gilid o na to. Enough na, enough. Bigay, malasyon ko sa labot.
Wow.
So guys, mag-end muna kami. See you later. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
See you later. Uy, naputumap. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay, let's go. Matik already away. Shh, quiet. Tata is there. Okay, guys. Update ko kaya mamaya. Hello, guys. It's our second day. And we're going to Old Town.
Mama, you're the best.
Oh, thank you, love.
You're welcome.
Love you.
The teacher say we're the best.
So you don't say that I'm the best. Only the teacher.
Yeah.
Ah!
You're the best.
Who said you are teacher?
The teacher.
So in your opinion, is Mama the best?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. Be careful. Anong tawag ito? Lily is here. Natulugo na siya at then mother is there. So isa-isa lang yung shoes na pinagdadala namin kaya ito na yung the rest of the kung hindi naman masisira. Tata is there. Nagising na siya. Of course, pagising, nag-breakfast din. Alis na daw tayo.
Mama, can I?
So, update ko kayo guys later. Alright! Hi guys! We're in the Old Town, Krakow. So, galing kami sa church ni Mate. Nag-pray kami. Si Lily ay naglakad-lakad lang sila ni Tata. So, this is the Old Town in Krakow looks like.
Yes. Mama, lalili ko.
Ayan sila. Ang ganda na ng kanilang building at nasa Main Street kami. Doon yung yung simbahan. And then we're going back there. Na tayo sa Are you guys hungry?
No, I just ate.
Meron silang you just eat, you can go for dessert. Hello guys, we're going back home. I'm so excited. Mate said that he's excited to go home. Yes, hard-headed Mate?
Yeah.
Why Lily is not wearing jacket?
It's hot.
What's the temperature?
Plus 15.
Now that we're going home, it's hot. Good job. So guys, we're going home. We're very excited to go home.
Okay?
Much better to stay
I can
home.
call you Borat Tata. I can call
Do
you
you like
Borat.
Krakow?
Yeah.
Good.
Here's my bag without anything inside. Of course, I have one bottle of coffee with me.
Oh, sana all.
That's my drink, cool drink.
Wow.
Okay?
Wow.
Let's go, everyone.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's
Mom,
go. Let's go.
where's our girl babies? Not there.
Go. Let's go. Let's go.
Bye.
Bye. See you guys later.
Go. Let's go.
So after namin nakita ang kapoy is ipang kapoy na tulog mi guys. Nato nag-ubing. Kami gumising. Hello guys! Good morning! So nandito na tayo sa car. Ayan yung ating situation. And then yung sa back natin na hindi na nakikita sa likuran kasi nga full of bags. And
Guys, we go back home and just minute ago I explained Jelin what in Polish language meaning jubilat.
Jubilat is the building there.
No,
the
no,
shop
no.
building.
The word what is meaning in
So
Poland.
what is the meaning of?
Everyone love in Poland jubilat, you know?
Oh, that one building.
Really? The kids, the adults.
Oh.
I'm like jubilat too.
So explain to them. Because in Philippines it's very different.
In Poland is the person who have the birthday or some anniversary.
So in Philippines it's jubilat. Only bilat is the different meanings, but without Jew. But here in Poland they call it jubilat, not Jew. We Filipino read that jubilat, but they read that jubilat. Yes, jubilat.
Today I don't have birthday. Yes,
But you are reading it as jubilat or jubilat.
jubilat.
Yeah. That's it. Yung kanilang meaning ng jubilat.
And we have the additional person when we go back to home. Oh, a stroller.
That's cooler.
Because no space in the back of the car.
Yeah, a lot of Tata equipment for Tata is going to transfer mostly his equipments there in the Warsaw. Lily's here, don't have plan to sleep yet. Mati,
Yeah.
I think they are going to sleep maybe 1 hour or 2 hours. But right now, their mata is all the time very awake. Yes? Oh. Mati, do you want something, Mati? Policia is at your side.
Yes, yeah.
Oh no, Tata. You have policia there?
Yes. Follow us.
Wow, look at Mati. He knows how to drive the bike. Yes, you
With
ride a
helping.
bike today, Mati. Practice. Okay, so you can ride going to school the bike. Kasi matagal na yan siyang na magbabike going to school, but I didn't allow him because he don't know. Huh?
I read on the advertisement.
Okay, so I gotta go to school. Someone will gonna let me bike over to the house that I can ride super fast.
Right,
On the school, I can ride the bike alone or me.
Yeah, but you still need mama.
I don't like you.
You don't like you. Okay, I will give you to the police. Yeah, there. Oh, you see that's the police. Yeah, I will give you to the.
Okay, I'm gonna give you to the Tata Baba.
Okay, guys. See you later. We'll update you. Hi guys, good morning. So kahapon is Mother's Day dito sa Poland and supposed to be matutulog na kami no kasi nga ikapudyod mi after sa biyahe galing sa sa Krakow. And then, ewan ko bakit nakakapagod magbiyahe, no? Kahit nakaupo ka lang, sobrang kapoy. Sobrang pagod na pagod yung katawan ko. Then, of course, na ako, nakapag-vacuum na tayo sa house. Hindi na dusty yung house natin. Though makalat pa rin, pero not dusty anymore. And then, our kitchen. Look. This is our kitchen. Okay na siya tingnan. Hindi kaya nung iniwan namin na sobrang kalat. And then grabe ang kaganda ng fresh flower na bigay ni Tata Ed. Look, I'm so, nakaka-amaze yung kulay. Kasi ngayon ako nakikita ng iba't ibang kulay ng rose. Sabi ko, is it real? Or nilagyan lang nila ng kulay? Innocent yan. Anyways, it's my first, nung nag-meet na kami ni Tata, doon ako naka-experience ng pampaflower. Si Tata yung unang lalaki na nagbigay sa akin ng flowers. Look. And then meron ding, look at this color, oh. I love this color. It's on fire. Kasi yung pink kasi napaka-girly. But this color, this is the one that I love. It's on fire. I'm not sure what is the color of this rose. Paki-comment nga ng kulay na to. Gustong-gusto ko tong kulay na to. para siyang lava na, alam mo yun? And then, ito pa, marami pang ibang kulay dito. And then, ayun oh, hindi naman siya menk na menk like this. Kasi ito, napaka super Barbie. Ay, mag-Barbie girl. Ito, iba din yung ganda niya. Iba, another color, nagtataglay ng kagandahan. No? Iba-iba yung kagandahan. Look, and then this one, iba rin yung kulay niya. Ayun is, ito kasi is, kita nyo naman, no? Ibang-iba. Ito din, iba din siya. Meron din siyang kakaibang kagandahan at, ito siya, hindi na siya super girly. Cool, astigon siya. Hindi gaya nito na girly look. Ito, astigon. And then, ito ay, kayo na magbigay, kayo na magbibigay ng caption. Anong mabibigay mo na caption sa rose na ito? And then, ayan din guys, look. Super beautiful. And flowers. Ang flowers, super beautiful. Alam ko naman no na lalaitin na naman ako ang flower. Kaya ang flowers lang yung beautiful. Hindi ko nasasaling yung sarili ko. Tanggap ko naman kung anong meron ako. Importante huminga. And then look at this. So pretty din naman yung red. But alam mo yun, yung red kasi is common na. Sa akin na, yung common na siya na kulay ng rose ba. Kaya na-amaze ako sa mga bago. O diba? Gaya lang din yan sa akin. Sila, para sa kanila, yung beauty nila is common na. Kaya din sa atin na mga Pilipino na padpa dito is na-amaze din sila sa iba-ibang kulay. Kasi we all have our own beauty. Kaya, alam mo naman, sabi ko sa inyo, maganda ako. Binawi. And then, ito naman siya, is hindi siya totally red. Beautiful din siya, guys. Ay, kakaiba din siya. Di ba, exotic? Gaya me. Pero this is ito siya, I think ito yung kulay na ito is, yun yung nag-bloom sa likod. Ito yung hindi pa nag-bloom. So, ito ako. Hindi pa ako nag-bloom. Hintayin nyo na magba-bloom ako, okay? Ayan. Ayan siya pag nag-bloom. Kita nyo naman. Hintayin nyo lang na magganyan ako na magba-bloom ako. Para akong nasa garden. And of course, hindi lang yun yung binigay ni Tata. Kasi nga Mother's Day kahapon sa Poland. Ayan. Binilhan niya yung mga 2 bulilit. So guys, meron pala akong ipapakita sa inyo pohon. Hinahanap namin until now yung aking kapatid na nawawala. So, recently, meron kaming narinig, like, nabuhay na naman yung story ba? Meron kaming narinig na meron daw kamukha. Meron daw silang namukhaan na kapatid ko. Ako yung sunod niya. Yung pangalan niya is si Jose Boy. AKA Boy yung nickname. And then, recently is narinig namin or nabalitaan namin na baka yun yung kapatid namin. Like, nasa nasa NPA, New People's Army na area. So, merong kakilala sila ni Mother na connected doon sa New People's Army na area din. So, pinauwi namin from Cebu pa talaga siya. Salamat kayo no ha sa imong kuhan, sa effort. So, umuwi pa talaga siya doon para matulungan din sila ni Mother na mag-connect doon sa NPA ba. Tapos, ayun na nga, nung merong nag-ano sa amin, nagbalita na baka yun yung kapatid namin. Tapos, alam mo yun, hoping pa rin kami na makita yung kapatid namin.